Alright, boys and girls, please make sure that you have a piece of paper and a pencil. Go ahead and read these 4 two-step story problems. And when you are ready, go ahead and click play, and then you can check your work. So you can go ahead and pause right now. Okay, Mr. Westhoff has the important information underlined, and I have my equations written. Please remember that you might have written your equations differently because you were thinking of them in a different way, but as long as we end up with the same answer in the end, then you know you're on the right track. Number 1, a music teacher had 5 recorders. If she had 5 recorders, that just means like she started with 5. She decided to buy 3 more boxes, and each box having 2. 3 boxes of 2, that's 3 times 2. How many recorders did she have after buying the 3 boxes? And this right here needs to be addition because she started with 5, and then she bought more. That is addition. Well, I do my multiplication first. 3 times 2, that equals 6. So 5 plus 6 is 11. You should have got the answer of 11. While playing a game, Cody defeated 3 enemies. Each enemy earned him 7 points. That's the same as 3 times 7. 3 enemies for 7 points apiece. Then he got another 2 points for completing the level. Well, that would be addition because he's adding plus 2. How many points did he earn total? Well, I do multiplication first because that's how many points he was getting in the beginning. 3 times 7 I know is 21. 21 plus 2 is 23. He's got 23 points. Number 3. A pet store sold 2 kittens and 1 puppy over the weekend. The kittens sold for $9 each. That's multiplication. 2 kittens for $9 each. 2 times 9. That equals 18. And the puppy sold for $8. So 1 puppy times $8 is 8. How much money did they earn from selling the pets? Well, then now I have to do addition. 18 plus 8 equals 2 will get me to 20. They made $26. That's called profit, however much money you make. And the last one, mowing lawns. Jerry earned $5 for every lawn he mowed. If he mowed 3 lawns, well, that's 5 times 3, because he got $5 for 3 lawns each. He already had $9 saved up. That would be addition, because he already has $9 ready to go. How much money does he have total? I'm going to do my multiplication first, because this is the money he earned. He earned $15, because 5 times 3 is 15, plus the $9 he already had saved. He now has $24 from working and saving his money. Okay. Go ahead, and today you are going to complete your quiz. Today you're going to complete your quiz over 2-step story problems using multiplication and addition. Please read them carefully and make sure that you're using paper pencil. It's not something you need to do in your head.